Hello everyone, my name is Haoyang Yu and I'm an applications engineer for Keysight ESOP EDA. Today I'm going to demo an interoperable PDK that works seamlessly between ADS and Cadence Virtuoso. Let's get started. On the left side of the screen is my ADS setup. I have a library called tech_interop_lib in my workspace. And on the right side of my screen is my Cadence Virtuoso. I have a library that has the same name that refers to the same OA database as my ADS library. So let's see how it works. Let's create a new layout in this library that we just created. And let's drop in some components. Let's do inductor with the default settings. And let's do a capacitor to the right side of the inductor, but let's make it slightly bigger so we can see it. Okay, now let's save it, close it, and let's take a look on the Cadence side. As you notice, we have a new cell called cell 1 that has the same name as the ADS cell, and we have a new view layout. And let's look at the layout. So as you can see, we have exactly what we just drew in ADS. And let's make sure that the interoperability is both way. Let's make a change to the inductor. Let's change it from 2.5 turn to 1.5 turn. And also, let's move the capacitor from the right side, to the left side of the inductor. And let's save this layout. Close this. And let's go back to ADS. And as you can see, the inductor becomes 1.5 turn and the capacitor has just been moved from the right side to the left side of the inductor. And let's just generate a schematic to see if the same thing works in the schematic. So let's do a transistor this time with the default setting and also inductor. Let's put it here and let's make some connections between them. And for the gate, I'm going to make some fancy connection just to make sure that it can copy everything that I drew in ADS. Alright, let's close it. So if you don't refresh your screen, you will not see the new schematic view. But if you navigate to a different library and come back, you will see the new schematic view right away. And let's open it. This is the transistor and the inductor that we just drew, and the fancy connection has been duplicated as well. So again, let's make some change in the Virtuoso side. Let's select this transistor and change it from 1 finger to 6 finger. And also, let's drag this connection a little bit to the right side. Let's save this, close it, and let's go back to ADS. As you can see, this connection has been changed slightly, and the number of the fingers has been changed from 1 to 6. So as you can see, this interoperable kit works in both layout and schematics. And if you change something in ADS, you can see the change reflected in Cadence and vice versa. Thank you for watching.